Hi, this is Sasa, and in this video, we're going to create a Bitmoji virtual classroom. So, if you don't know how to create your Bitmoji yet, go ahead and go view one of my videos that I created to how to download the app and add the extension to your Chrome so that you can use your Bitmoji and create your Bitmoji classroom. So first things first, I love doing everything on PowerPoint, and especially because my district uses Microsoft Teams and PowerPoint is a lot more compatible with Microsoft Teams. So we will be doing this Bitmoji virtual classroom in PowerPoint. Okay, so go ahead and open up your PowerPoint presentation, and I deleted the text boxes because I don't need it. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to add a background to my plain slide. So you're going to go to design, you are going to format the background, go to picture and texture fill and insert, and then go to online pictures. You will be looking for a floor to wall clip art, okay? For this classroom, I am going, or background, not clip art, floor to wall background. And I am going to choose this one. I'm going to insert it. So this is my background. The next thing I am going to, let me just close this one. I'm going to go to insert pictures. And because I don't have any clip arts on my desktop downloaded already, I'm going to go search for pictures online. And something very important is when you're looking for your pictures, make sure to type in transparent because you want a transparent background and you don't want a clip art with a white box in the back. So transparent, and I will be looking for a whiteboard. So I'm going to choose this whiteboard right here, and I'm going to insert it. And this is my whiteboard. And you see all the space right here. I'm just going to crop it down to the picture. I'm going to click outside of it, and then I'm going to shrink the picture so it's a lot smaller. And then I'm going to go look for, in my classroom, I want a little alphabet thing up here. So I will go to insert, look for an ABC border. Okay, they don't really have it. So I'm just going to pick this one and I will insert it. Okay, as you can see, I want it to line up all across my wall up here, but it's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, and then I'm just going to crop. Okay, and then I'm going to paste, and then I'm going to crop it again. So I'm just going to keep on cropping it like this until I have all my letters to put across the wall. So let me pause for let me finish cropping, and then I'll come back and do the rest. Okay, so I have all my letters lined up in a nice straight line. So now I'm just going to copy the whole. I'm just going to select the whole thing. I am going to group it all together. And then I'm just going to shrink it down so that it fits on my wall, like so. Okay, and that's my letters. This is a little hard to see, so let me see. I can just make no, I don't like that. Okay, I can just put a background in the back like that. I'll send it to the back, and I'll just turn it white so that it makes it easier to see my letters. Okay, so that's that. And now I am going to add a bookcase to my to my class. So I'm just going to go to Insert, Pictures again, and I will grab a picture from online. I'm going to find a transparent bookcase. And I will choose this one. I'm going to insert it. This bookcase is pretty big, so I'm just going to crop it down. Maybe I'll just want like a 3-shelf bookcase. So I'll pick that one. I'll just put it right here. And then maybe I'll add like a calendar on the bottom, some posters. So let me go look for a poster. I'm going to look for a numbers poster. Maybe like a 1 through 20. Okay, maybe this one. I like this one. Click it, bring it back, and I'm just going to shrink it down. Let me take out this part. Just going to shrink it down, put it right there. Okay, so that's that. I am designing this for my transitional kindergarten class, so you're gonna see a lot of like very early learner friendly stuff. So let me go now and look for some shape poster. Shapes poster. And we will be learning about 2Ds and 3D shapes, so I will grab that and I will just shrink it down, kind of align it to my poster I already have here. Okay, so those will be my poster for that. Okay, let me bring in a table with and so I could add in some laptops too, so they can go online and work at and do assignments online. So let me look for a transparent table, clip art. There we go. Look for that one. Okay, so here's my table. I want to set it up over here. But as you can see, it's at a weird angle, so I'm just going to rotate it. So I'm going to go up here to rotate, and I'm going to flip it horizontally. I'm going to put it over here. Then let me go look for some laptops to bring in. Okay, so I'm just going to type in transparent laptop clip art. And I am thinking about, these are the ones that I want are facing forward. So let me grab this one. I will just go change my table. So I'm going to use this one. Let me just change out my table. I will pick a different table. Let me get, maybe I'll grab this table right here. I kind of changed my table to this one because the other one wasn't working out for me. So this will be my table. And I'm going to bring this to the front. I'm going to shrink down my tablet or my laptop. I'm going to create two of them just in case I have two different activities going on. Okay, and then I can just, so I like to use Nearpod and education.com. So let me just go look for the images on Google. I'm just going to look for a Nearpod logo like this one, and I'm just going to copy it and I'll bring it back and I will paste it. And I will just put it in here. Let me just zoom it in. Just going to shrink it so it'll fit into the screen. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to select both of them. I am going to turn this laptop and Nearpod logo combination into a clip art so that it can, into a picture format so that it will be able to link later on. So I'm just going to select both of them. I'm just going to right click, I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to right click. And I'm going to choose this little, the paste options. I'm going to choose this little clipboard with a picture. So now it is no longer two clip arts, it is one. And let me just crop it down to the image so it doesn't have like so much room over there. Okay, this way I can just clip it later on. Okay, so I have that, and then for this one, let me go look for another logo. Maybe I might want to do, I could do Peer Deck for now. Okay, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to bring it back. And I'm going to paste it on here. Bring it over here. And put it in. Okay. Okay, so just go on Google or go into insert your pictures and just add in any images, any clip arts that you would like to use to decorate your classroom. And now let me show you how to bring in your Bitmoji avatar. So then once your classroom is done, you're done creating it, you can just go to Google Chrome, click on the Bitmoji right here, up here, and you're going to find your avatar. So I'm gonna find one where I am reading, or like this one. This one I'm reading, I'm holding some books. So I'm just going to right click it, I'm going to copy the image, I'm going to bring it back to my classroom, and I'm going to paste it in here. So here I am, and I am reading, or I'm in my classroom. So yep, that's it. This is your virtual classroom. In another video, I will show you how to link all of your images and clip arts into to the assignments that you want your kids to work on. All right, see you later.